I can only put it on so thick. Now I'm going to try to put just a hair more on there, but that's it. That's all I can do on that. I just have to be careful where I'm walking so I don't step in this stuff. This 2-inch brush works just fine underneath here. I couldn't have used a bigger brush, could I? But this was the area that I built up the other day. Right in here, there was a little bit of water. It rained one day, and the water kind of puddled right there, only about less than 1/8 of an inch. And so I built it up. I poured some of that on there, some of this flooring material, this coating, and I just poured it on there, and I just kind of brushed off the top. And I'll end up doing a little bit more here when I get the roller out here in a minute. I'm not going to do it right this minute. I guess I could. And then just go up to it with the paint roller. This is what I did the other day. Since I'm doing that, I'm going to have to hit this over here with my brush instead of the roller. It's all right, I can do that. Because when I built this floor, before I put the this roofing material on here, I angled this here going down this direction, and from here down like that. Same thing in this corner, up a little bit high, so that when the water came down, it would hit here and want to flow out towards the outside. And did that around the other column too. Ooh, my phone. I did that. I did that over here too. I built this floor up here just a little bit, and then over here to flow down. And I did that because I could. I decided that's what I wanted to do because they had so many leaks. This floor, you should have seen it. It was all dry rotted. The whole thing I had to tear out and redo. So I want to make sure it does not happen again. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. No sirree, bub. No sir. So each coat I'm putting is less than a 1/16 of an inch thick. Probably a 32nd of an inch. And that's why I'm putting on a few more coats. You know? Just thought that would be the prudent thing to do. Because I can only get the roller so close. Right? Right. Okay. Just a little bit of it on the stucco. Damn it. Just a little. Well, I'll have to make note of that. For when I do my rest of my stucco patches, do any touch-up, I'll have to do a once-over when I get all the way done with this project. That's the signs of a good job by somebody, is doing a final check of everything, a final touch-up, make sure everything is looking to your satisfaction. Hey, if you need to get the paint back out, you need to get the stucco patch back out, whatever you got to do at the end to make it look like you were never there. That's the whole idea of doing a job. Making it look like you were never there. Other than that, it's new. But in some places you got to kind of blend in with the existing conditions and make it look like there was no work ever done. And that's what I try to achieve anyways. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work so well. You learn as you go, or for the different projects that you do. Think, okay, next time I need to do this, 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 and this differently. You're really going to learn that by doing it. You know? You can only read so much out of books on how to do something. Or watching so many videos. I mean, you can watch my videos all day long, but if you don't get out there and actually do it on your own, there's only so much you're going to learn. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know it's ready. I'm ready to go in. My hands are cold, my feet are cold, the breeze is out, the sun is on the other side of the hills, and I'm just not going to work anymore today. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.